guys, so welcome to another painful episode, and that is trying to remove this. For some reason this car seems like it's been, the rear bumper has been resprayed, because in some light there's a clear mismatch. You can kind of see it, like that is a lighter shade of red, that's more darker shade. Anyway, the 350Z badge is usually on this side, and you can see there's some of the lettering from a move across, like as you can see. Anyway, it's supposed to be on that side. For some reason when I bought this car, it was on the side, it was missing the 0 and the Z. I had the 3 and the 5 on it, and they pretty much fell off when I touched them. Now, it seems like they've stuck this on with some sort of a, I don't know, glue, not with tape, and it's left behind this horrible residue. And I've tried WD-40 whatnot, and it's just not coming off. You can see I've even tried to scrape it a bit, and that was with a Scott Brite pad. And obviously it's adding scratches into the paint, which I don't like. So I've got a trusty old razor blade here, and I'm just lightly scraping it away here so I can get most of it off, and then I'm going to get a scratch remover, polish, try and polish this out and get as good as I can before eventually having to respray. But yeah, it's an eyesore, and I've got a new badge that I'll be putting on. I want to put it on that side because, I mean, that's the factory position. I could try and put it on here, however I did see that the spacing of these the lettering over here as well is not good. You can see the gap between the 0 and the Z. Very big gap here. It's almost what's that, finger width, and it just doesn't look good. So yeah, trying to get this sorted. Let's see how it goes. You can see here there's some pieces where it actually breaks off and pulls off the clear coat. So yeah, trying to avoid that. At first I was coming in with quite a, you can see quite a, let's go from the side, quite a steep angle, roughly about there. Now what I'm doing is I'm trying to press it flat and slide it across to try and get it better. But yeah, I don't foresee a good outcome. I really don't. I don't know how much polishing is gonna really fix this, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I got sick and tired of peeling off my clear coat. So what I've done so far is I've taken 1200 grit and I've started sanding down. You can see here. And what I'm going to do then is I'm going to try and get it down as much as possible. Some of this is down to the base coat. I don't want to get down to base coat, so I'll just spend a bit more time sanding here, trying to get this as smooth as possible, and then I'll come in and polish it up and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, I press close just as normal. You can see over here. Here's my sanding paper. So I'm wet sanding it with a bit of soapy water, trying to get this as good as possible because the badge is definitely going on that side. So yeah, about as good as it's gonna get. We still have these pit marks from the from the damn stuff that hardened up, but this is about as good as it's gonna get. You can see my reflection hello of the round one of polishing. So yeah, so this was the rough pass, and then I'm going to start going with the finer passes. Unfortunately, you can see in some spots I burned through the clear coat. Let's burn. You can see, trying to show you guys here. Over there you can see the discoloration going through the damn clear coat. But anyway, it's as good as it's going to get. I'm pretty happy with that. It's way better than what it was. So from afar, you really don't even notice it. So yeah, I'm going to stick to that and then just buff it up so that all these lines and scratch marks are out, and then we're done. Here's the finished product. So if you know what to look for, you'll find it, otherwise you won't. I'm happy with that. I can put a sticker over there eventually at some point. The badge is definitely going over there. Boom.
Yep, and there we have it, the final product. I fitted the badge off camera. I think sticking a badge onto the back of the car is a pretty straightforward thing to do, so I don't really record that. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to like and subscribe. Just a bit of extra information for those of you that want to know. The badge was purchased off of Amazon, came with tape and everything like that, so pretty sweet, I must say. Anyways, until next time, cheers.